How to put in outfit codes in Roblox. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So what we want to do first is to go to our search bar over here and then just search up for catalog avatar creator. So just search that up, and then after that, what you want to do is you just click on play right here. So make sure that the catalog avatar creator right here is made by It's Munib. So just click on play. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So to put in outfit codes right here, so what you want to do is go to community outfits right here, and then from here, you can choose any kind of theme you want for your outfits. So for me, I'll just go to the most popular, and then to paste in or to type in the outfit code, just go to the bottom right here that says outfit code, and then just paste in the outfit code, and then just click on enter. And then here you go, we now have our outfit right here. So you can either wear this outfit or take it off. So for me, I'll just wear it, and then you can also save it to your Roblox account right here. And then you'll also see how much this outfit costs. So there you go. So I just wore it, and then I can check it out right here in this game. But keep in mind, you will only see this in this game alone unless you've purchased the outfit. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to put in outfit codes in Roblox.